Hello kids, welcome to my channel The Learning Hub. In this video today we are going to discuss the use of this and that. Means when and how do we use this and that. So today we are going to discuss about use of this and that. This means yah. This means yah. We use this for a person, a place, a thing or an animal which is near to us. Near means पास है, जो हमारे पास होता है. And this is used with singular countable noun. I repeat, this is used for a person, a place, a thing or an animal which is near to us, and this is used with singular countable noun. Like, what is this? This is a pen. I repeat, this is a pen. Children, listen and observe very carefully. How many pen is there? Only one pen. And this pen is very near to me. मेरे पास है, बहुत पास है. So that's why here I have used this. This is a pen. Got it? The next, the use of that. That means वह. That means वह. That is a tree. From here, I can see a tree that is far away from me. So that is used with a person, a thing, a place or an animal which is far away from us. Far away means दूर. जो चीज हमसे बहुत दूर होता है उसी को हम डिपिक्ट करने के लिए that use करते हैं. And that is also used with singular countable noun. I repeat, that is used for a person, a place, a thing or an animal which is far away from us. And that is also used with singular countable noun. Like, that is a tree. यहाँ से मुझे एक ट्री दिखाई दे रहा है जो मुझसे बहुत दूर है. So that's why I told that is a tree. वह एक पेड़ है. So this and that, both words used with singular countable noun, and we use this and that to differentiate the distance. When something is near to me or near to us, that time we have to use this. When the something is far away from us, that time we have to use that. Got the point, children? So let's learn this concept along with some examples. So here we go. Now everyone look at the board. Use of this or that. Look at the first sentence. Which picture is this? A hat. And observe very carefully. Here I have drawn the hat before the sentence, which is depicting that the hat is very near to me. So what should I write over here? When something is near to us, that time we have to use this, right? So here I have to write this. T H I S. This is a hat. यह एक hat है. Next sentence. Look very carefully. Here I have drawn a picture of tree, and which is far away from me means here I have drawn the tree after the sentence and showing the tree through an arrow. That means this is depicting that the tree is far away from me. Tree बहुत दूर है मेरे से. So what should I write over here? When something is far away from us? Yes, that. So here I have to write that. T-H-A-T. That. That is a tree. वह एक पेड़ है. Now look at the third sentence. Here also I've drawn a duck which is before the sentence. That means it's depicting this duck is very near to me. मेरे पास है. So what should I write over here? This or that? Very good. This. This is a duck. Now look at the next sentence. Here I have drawn a ball after the sentence and I am showing the ball through an arrow which is depicting that the ball is far away from me. Ball मेरे से बहुत दूर है. So what should I write over here when something is far away from us? Yes, that. So I have to write that. T-H-A-T. That. That is a ball. Next picture is a car. And the picture is near to me. I have drawn this car before the sentence and it's very near to me. So that means here I have to use this. This is a car. So let's write T-H-I-S. This is a car. So children, let's read the sentences one more time please. This is a hat. That is a tree. This is a duck. That is a ball. This is a car. So children, I think today's concept is clear to everyone. So that's all for today and I think today's video is going to be very useful for you. So keep learning and keep watching my videos. Bye bye.